with language. Some people are needing to translate. So I'm going to pass on to Sarah, and you'll need your little cards for this.
Is everyone ready to go on to the next item? Are we finished filling out our feedback forms? So Susan, are you ready? Now on your seats you will notice a little blue piece of paper. So if you can pick that up now, or different colours. It's a card size. Has everyone got one? Susan can give you one if you haven't got one. Now this time we're going to get your feedback, but not on a form or in the conventional sense. You again can be a bit creative and essenceful. So what I'm going to do now is just do a short visualization, taking us back through the program, just reminding us of what we've done. And from that, we'd like you to just see what stood out for you, what's touched your heart, what's really been meaningful for you. And then you can draw that on your card, either as a picture or some words or a symbol, but it's basically really the essence of what you've taken from the weekend. Okay, so you can draw whatever you like, but I'm just going to remind you so you can see what the highlights were for you. So just closing your eyes but not falling asleep. Take a few deep breaths and just taking us back to that first afternoon, and we all arrived. Some of you looking a little bit tired and a bit exhausted from the journey. And remember, we had that lovely welcome program, the local people and the amazing drummers and dancers, and we shared the essence of what we felt the weekend would be. And you drew your intentions. You drew your intentions for yourself, for the group, and for the world. And you may even, if you're still in your pack, want to remember what you drew. And we had a lovely dinner and just settled in for an early night after that. And for some of you, you've been joining us for meditation at 4 a.m. or at 6:30 a.m. Just that journey within. And then the lovely exercises. And of course, throughout the whole program, just such amazing food. Even though we're not attached to food, we can appreciate the love with which the food has been cooked and served. Then Saturday morning, Yogesh led us on a spiritual lifestyle for stability. And he gave us the tips of what it is in our daily routine that keeps us stable. And you discussed in small groups, how does ancient wisdom help us live peacefully? What are the challenges and how can we support others? And then I led you on that workshop of understanding my true nature of compassion and being kind to myself. You have had the afternoons to rest, relax, be in silence, do journaling, however you wanted to spend the time. Then we had that panel with the Venerable and Yogesh and Fuyoko, being human or human being. The meditation, and then the wonderful entertainment where we all helped each other to just be light and loving and enjoy each other's company and each other's amazing creativity. And yesterday, the lovely morning time, I shared about connecting with the light and understanding myself as a spiritual being. And you drew your experiences of connecting with something greater than yourself. Yogesh talked about the 8 powers for inner stability. What are the tools, what are the things within us that really support us on this spiritual journey? And again, you spoke in groups before going into silence, we hope. But whether you were in silence the whole time or just for some of the time, what did you experience in that silence? What was emerging for you as the wishes for yourself that you would like to take forward once you leave here? What are the gifts you are taking? We had the question and answer and then the lovely World Meditation Hour and the beautiful chanting from the Venerables and an amazing dinner with some pretty wild dancing afterwards. So we can really say we've gone from that tiny point silent to really expressing joy and love and connectedness. And then I think you remember what you've done today. So just such a rich few days. What has stood out for you? What's touched your heart? Draw it, write it, express it in some way on your card. If you need any artistic materials, I think there are pens and pencils around. Have they all been given out, Susan? Yeah? So I'll just give you 5 minutes to do that. How are we doing? Just a couple more minutes? So, now that you've written some of your experiences, we would really like to hear from you. But of course, as you know, the microphone doesn't stretch, so we're giving you the hot seat. And we would invite you to come, take the microphone, and we'd really like to hear from as many as possible. I know you're a bit shy, but now we're a family. You can feel safe with us. We can take the feedback. And you can share what's on your card or just share from your heart what you feel you've taken from this weekend, what's been meaningful for you. So who's going to be the brave soul who starts? Number 1, encourage. Number 1, encourage. Venerable, do you? Ah, very good. Come and take, we won't call it the hot seat, we'll call it the love seat. And then the other chairs are there so that you can come and take a seat and be prepared to be next. So we need, just take the microphone. Yes. So keep your sharing short and sweet, just a couple of minutes each. Yeah, just pick it up.
So, first of all, I would like to show my deep gratitude to each and every soul here, especially the organizer, and specifically Sri Lanka team that serve the food and everything, all the service from the airport up to now, and even before our departure, they are busy preparing for our departure. And of course, I'm so grateful for all the speakers here that enlightened me a lot. So I cannot describe all the content from the beginning to the end, but I just feel like everything connected. Okay, and what I put in summary through this picture. You see, this is the lighting candle, right? So it is one candle only. So it means that I myself have to be the light. So I have to practice what I learned from here, self-respect, self-compassion, so that I can spread all of those to the other candle that is not lighting yet. And the frame here is this kind of protection. If I am not careful, the light might be gone. So I have to protect the light, keep it glowing and glowing so that I can light the other candle. Thank you very much.
Coincidentally, I was sitting next to him. I also draw candles without knowing at each other. So I also draw 3 candles with love and the divine to show that the session yesterday gave me enlightenment that we alone, we need support from each other. So from left to right, from right to left made me feel like, yes, my life needs support. And I also see that the energy, the divine is my guidance. So I feel empowered. And just like Yogi said yesterday, what is he trying to teach me? The energy. And at the end of the day, I'm not alone. I'm love. And unconditional love. At last is silent. The session yesterday gave me a very powerful that sometimes we're too busy with the external. We forget to listen. So being silent gave me the feeling of love, self-compassion, and what truly in my heart. So yes, I feel like life is a gift, and we deserve a beautiful life.
So I draw 3 pictures. The first one is me meditating because when I come here, it made me realize that there is an afterlife after death. It's not just a void of pure darkness, which used to keep me up at night. And the second one is my country. We're all holding hands because it signifies that no matter how distant we are, we can still be unify as one. And the third one holds a special place in my heart. It's me jumping on Brother Yoga's shoulder. Thank you.
So you may vacate your seats now, and we'll see who else is feeling like they would like to share something. Come. So we have an empty one. Who's got? Aha, very good.
Hello, Om Shanti. I'm not a good drawing, but I draw a point. That's me. We can call it as a light. I describe some words: share, spread, and love. I feel I have so much love during this retreat from each and every one of you, each and every one of brother and sister who cares so much about me, from us, as well as Japan, Cambodia, Malaysia, and also Thailand. So I feel so much love. I've never seen such a kind person all in one at once under the one roof. This is amazing. So I got a love. Then I want to share in everyone in daily life. It's like a vibrating wave, such a heartbeat. On a heartbeat, I spread love to everyone near me, and it grows stronger and stronger during these days. This retreat is not too long. It's about 3 or 4 days, but it changed a lot in my whole lifetime. Thank you, everyone.
And for me, I combine like the symbol of like the T picture into one. Actually, this is like the glass have like the half of the water. As like when I come here, I have no idea like what the retreat is gonna be like, and like the topic that what I gonna get back in to me, and that I can contribute to help others. And also that what I find here is the new knowledge about like spiritual and compassion love, and many things about like the silent power. That is some similar to like the Buddhist practice, which this is the field. I mean like this empty, that it filled my empty half of the water, and I still that I can use in everyday life practice. For me, this is, and actually I got like the surrounding of like the happiness and love from like the other, and also the kind of the service that I got it from here. Yeah.
Please give me 2 minutes. Because I would like to thank Sister Rami for giving me this opportunity. I am an instant participant. I got this opportunity through Mr. Shammi, who is the manager here. He is one of my good friends. So I got this opportunity and happened to be in the society which I like the most, and I was seeking for my lifetime. Because, the community I am associating with my parents and the villagers all, they are spending very complicated lifestyle. So I wanted to come to a community that who has all these pro-Brahma viharas and trying to develop the life to a peace and be in the status of peace and love. So I was seeking for this community, which I like the most from today onward. And also in the morning, my Japanese sister, she was asking why I am always having smiley face. Because this is what the community I needed, who are following, who are having the intention like me, expecting nothing from others. That is one point I am following, because always the persons make all the individuals, humans around us make us unhappy or happy, because we expect things from others. I don't expect anything. What they do, they will carry. What I do, I will carry. That is one of the mottos I am following. And my status of happiness will never be changed because of any kind of a material around me. Whether I lost those, whether I get new things, I am not going to lose my happiness. The third one is any event in the life cannot make me happy or unhappy. The motto of myself is situations don't decide destinies. The actions we are taking over them, or the response upon them, will decide destiny. So that was my motto. Those things were my mottos, and I found this community. During these 4 days, I learned a lot, and I mostly the most valuable thing I got is to associate you all, the smiley faces, kind people, and the people who are beautifully developed their lives with 4 Brahma Viharas here mentioned. So this picture is the idea that I got during these 4 days, that we are connecting with all the positives in the world, outside world, and with those positives, connecting with good, connecting with Almighty Allah, maybe in anyone, any description may be there, whatever it is, whoever it is, we are connecting with positives in the world, and through those positive energy, we are giving the world, entire world, the loving kindness, compassion, sympathy, joy, and equanimity. So this is what I learned, and I thank you all for giving me this opportunity and being with me in smiley faces. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, you can now vacate the seat, and we have 10 more minutes, so we'd like to hear from some more people. Very good. Who else is brave? Yes, very good. Thank you. This is your chance. Yeah, good.
The reason I'm here, although I'm very shy to share, is because I accidentally lift up my head and I saw Sister Muni. So, okay. I draw light because learning from last night's experience, I take light from the 3 teachers during this retreat, and I will make sure that I pass it on. I will not let the good things end in me. So I understand that learning itself is meaningless unless we put into practice. And I remember a few years ago I went to a retreat where I saw the words, leave your head in the forest and your hand in your community. So the first thought was, then I'm going to die without a complete body. Now I understand. So my head in forest, and this is my forest now, and my hand will be serving in my community. Thank you very much.
I think there's a reason for me to be here among millions of people. So for these 4 days, the thing which I got to my mind is that do not change anything, just change the situation. So I think I will change something, and I hope to change something.
This may be my last chance of this season. For the best meaning, I will speak in Thai, and I have translator. Please give up my broken English. Okay, my picture. ข้างล่างนี่มันคือมหาสมุทรครับ
And at the bottom of my picture is ocean. Picture of ocean.
สิ่งที่สงสัยครับชีวิตมันไม่ได้มีความสุขเลยทำไมเราเกิดมาเพื่ออะไร
I doubt that why my life is not happy.
แล้วผู้คนในโลกนี้อีกหลายคนเราก็อยากครับ
Why my life happy and why I have to be born.
แล้วก็มองไปรอบข้างผู้คนก็ยังลำบากแล้วก็เป็นทุกข์เยอะมาก
I look around and see a lot of people and have a difficulty and sorrow.
และหลังจากนั้นเราเริ่มเรียนรู้ก็รู้ว่ามันมีการเวียนว่ายตายเกิด
And after I learning somehow that I learned that people have to incarnate.
ก็เลยยิ่งทุกข์ไปว่าจะต้องเกิดมามีทุกข์อีก
I have the difficulty because I have to be born to be in sorrow society.
ส่วนข้างบนที่เป็นจุดครับมันคือจุดหมายในชีวิตซึ่งมันมีมากมายเหลือเกิน
And at the top of my picture is my aims that a lot of target.
บางจุดหมายไปแล้วมันก็ไม่ใช่คำตอบของชีวิตครับ
But some target I have follow is not the top of my life target.
แล้วผมก็เคยมองกลับไปในชีวิตในจิตใจของตัวเองครับมองย้อนกลับไปครับก็ไม่มั่นใจว่ามันใช่ทางที่จะทำให้เราพ้นทุกข์หรือเปล่า
I looking inside myself to see that in my past is a way that I have to release my sorrow.
ก็ต้องขอบคุณครับคลาสนี้นี่ก็ยืนยันกับผมว่าการที่มองกลับไปที่สปิริตของตัวเองเนี่ยมันน่าจะต้องขอบคุณคลาสนี้ที่ยืนยันกับผมว่าวิธีคิดนี้ไม่น่าจะผิด
Okay. Thank you for the retreat and the classes that make me feel that if I'm looking back to my soul, and it's not the wrong way.
ผมจะพยายามครับที่จะเข้าไปรู้จักตัวตนและจิตวิญญาณของตัวเองให้มากขึ้นครับ
I will try to keep looking back to my soul and my spirit, and keeping on doing it.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so I think we've got time. I think we've got time just for 3 more, and then I'd like to invite the Venerables to share just a little something that you would like, either a blessing for the gathering or your own feedback. But before we invite the Venerables, 3 more people, last chance. Very good. Anyone else feel like, ooh, I'd really like to share something with the whole group? Very nice. Good. Is there anyone else from a guest from overseas? Yeah. Let overseas people come. Yeah.
Thank you very much, and I would like to give my fullest thanks to Sister Rammi. She's the one who joined me this event. Actually, from the beginning, before joining to this event, I was a bit reluctant to come, but Mr. Rammi encouraged me to come this program. Actually, I got a self-development in self-development from this program. And I felt like after I participated this event, retreat program, I felt like I have gone to the heaven. When I see all those things like all are in this heaven like gods and goddess and angels. So I enjoyed very much. This is because I learned a lot of positive things, and